Hello guys, so I'm going to show you how to convert your save file into an Excel file and vice versa. So Excel to save file. First you need to add the save file first. You need to add the save file first, so you add the save file. For example, I'm going to use this toolkit. So there's a multiple toolkit here. There's a 5 toolkit example. So we're going to check open the attribute table. Yeah, it's very easy. First, we need that we're gonna make sure what kind of the code reference system that it has. So this using SPGS 84. Remember that, don't forget. Okay, so you're gonna open the attribute table. You're gonna add a new field, name X. You're gonna use decimal real number. Make sure the precision is quite high, so to be accurate. So you're gonna put a $X here. Tada, that's your number. You're gonna click run. So if this is the longitude, and then we can add altitude too, or the y one, the y coordinate, same. Decimal number, you can use precision 6, and then you can put $W, $Y, I see. Okay, then you click OK. Okay, you already have the ID, the name, the code, the X coordinate, the Y coordinate. Then you're gonna convert it to an Excel file. I think it's pretty easy. You only right click and then export feature as an Excel file. You already decided there's a lot of choice. Make sure you click the Excel. The Office open XML spreadsheet. Then save it somewhere. Name it Excel tool, right? For example, you're gonna save it some. Okay, so here it is. We can open it. Ta-da! The file that we wanted already here. So your Excel file here. Then what you need now today, we're gonna convert it back into save file. I think it's pretty easy. Just go back. I think you first need to save it as GIS feed first. Using this one, you're gonna choose GSV. GSV either 8, comma limited. Save it somewhere. You're gonna save it. Ta-da, you're done. We can open the file using a notepad to make sure is it a GSV. Okay, tada. So using dot as decimal. Okay, fine, we can do that. Okay, we're gonna add it back to the save file here. We're gonna use layer. We're gonna add layer. Then we're gonna just add the multi-text layer. Then we choose the GSV file. Then we check the file here. Is it match? So we are using decimal separator of each comma. So we're gonna use a dot. So we're gonna uncheck that. So make sure it's the same like this one. Okay, remember that before about the code reference system. Make sure it's also the same as before. We're gonna export this to X and the Y field is Y. Same like the Excel one. Okay, then we just add it. Ta-da! Does it work? Yeah, it's work. I think it's set work. I mean, it's really accurate. I think. We change the color to make sure it's different from the first one. It's green. So yeah, it's very detailed. It's very accurate from the before. Maybe a little bit change. It's fine. So this how show you how to convert from save file to Excel and reverse. Thank you.